Oh yeah, just walk in and sort of interact with it.
Yeah, I think the automatic thing is to pick it up, you know, like a steering wheel.
I like this kind of the focus you get in the middle of this ring. Like you're already centered.
I think part of that, you know, relieving your anxiety is putting your focus on something else.
The approach as it kind of approaches the hand and then kind of like leaves the grasp, which you can feel the weight, the weight transfer.
I like how you can feel the vibrations and stuff like that. And it's addictive.
I like my eyes are following the marbles. And I'm like trying to keep up like a consistent rhythm. That feels like really satisfying.
I'm looking for my book. I'm looking for you're looking as well as feeling this.
And do you like the sound?
Yeah. Like release some stress. I like this one. I like more like not this one.
Like I probably couldn't just sit here and watch TV and be able to do it, but I think that's quite nice because it gives you like a focus.